Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about first gaming PC with GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GDDR7 graphics card. So friend, ACER has confirmed new PC with RTX 5060 graphics card. So friend, the ACER new Nitro N50 system, which not pack only Intel 14th generation core CPU, means i7 14700F processor and comes with RTX 5060 Ti and 5060 and possible even the RTX 5050. So friend, the RTX 5060 is said to feature 8GB GDDR7 memory and the PCIe into 16 specification. The RTA 5060 is future 8GB GDDR7 memory and the PCIe into 16 specification may not be accurate given that the GB206 GPU should have at length. So friend, the RTA 5060 has 3840 CUDA cores and 8GB DDR7. Okay. The RTA 5080 should launch with 3840 CUDA cores and 8GB GDDR7 memory across 128-bit memory bus, and the card is likely to retain 28 Gbps chips, so the bandwidth would be similar to that the RTX 5060 Ti at 448 GB per second, and this is 150-watt GPU, so it won't require a powerful supply and will be paired with mid-range CPU as in this example. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.